Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, it's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy driving to everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy driving with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it. Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly your sweet empathy. Crisp reflections on the water of you close to me. Someone I rely on, you make me feel real. Summer days that drift away as we lay in the field. Dandelions everywhere, darling, make a wish. I close my eyes as I make mine, and we slowly kiss. like ivy crawling up the wall. We need to feel the sun, 'cause we've grown cold from contact lows, falling out of love. And maybe I've ignored the signs. I tend to romanticize. And maybe you tried too many times to tell me you're done just getting by. No, can we fall back to place? Can we find another way? And maybe honestly, in another winter brought me to the water where we used to play. Frozen solid, sinking softly, songs of yesterday. Wilted lilacs painting all these broken memories. Blurred reflections on the ice of you close to me. Ooh.